Mr. Rodriguez. I thought I would show you all of the places where you can find Layla's assignments. She actually, I know you are looking at them in Infinite Campus. Hopefully, you have the Campus Portal app on your smartphone and you can see every single time a teacher inputs grades. That way, it would you'd be able to track throughout the year, how she's doing on everything. So maybe you're already doing that. But I wanted to show you from the perspective of Schoology how she can show you everything. So what you'll see first is the weeks as we do them. They are put up, they're all in order. But she also has a category over here under Schoology for grades. And she can show you all of these because what they show is not just the name of the assignment, but the link for them. So you can actually go in, you can look at the link, you can look at what she did. And for many of them, you will see this little icon right here, which is the square. It means that there's a rubric for it. So you can actually break it down and look and see, okay, where exactly did she lose points? She started off really well. The beginning of the year, a lot of in both categories, perfect assignments. In the beginning, they weren't necessarily content as much as they were, but they were, getting us ready to set up for class, introductory information, and, just sort of generalized themes of the course. But then they go in and, there are some things that she did better on than others. And again, you can see the rubric. This is one that, is quite low. This was a discussion that we had in class after we had done the reading. And there, if you click on the rubric itself, you will see that there were two categories. One is content understanding of what they read based on the videos and the pages in the book and the pictures, the visuals, basically taking it all, synthesizing it, giving an example, counter examples, elaboration of their statements. We work a lot on writing, making sure that they are clear and using evidence to back up their claim. And then the second part of any discussion is how well are they understanding what other people in the class are saying. So they had to at least respond to one other person and give them feedback, perhaps pose another question to make people think about something in a different way. I don't think she did that part. So she got a 0 on that, but she did answer it well. She got a 2.5 out of 3. But that's just an example of that. Can't seem to get out of this. Let me go back. So then as we look down, there's another assignment that was missing. This was an article on the Nasrima. It's actually a satire of an anthropological study that looks at the ethnocentrism, which often happens in this field. And she didn't do that one. We did do 1 week on it, and then we went into it, and I actually reassigned it for the next week because it was a difficult article for the kids to understand. So we worked a lot on that, but she did not submit it. So that is a 0 that brought her grade down quite a bit. But then so there are 2 categories. There are practice and learning development, which is 50% of the grades, but you'll notice that there's a lot more assignments in there. So each assignment will not be worth as much, obviously, as the others. The second category is tests, FRQ, which are the short answer essays, and assessments. So that's mostly in the form of writing that they're doing now. So she's done very well in this category. I'm super proud of Layla. I think she's done a great job. This is a very rigorous course, and yes, it does involve a lot of critical thinking, looking at different perspectives and trying to understand the world from multiple points of view. So she seems to have kept up really well. I think she was a day behind for a while, but I mean for a long time, but it never really affected her grade. I don't take off for late assignments. So anyway, I hope that helped, and let us know if there are any other concerns. Thank you. Bye.